Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this luxury Charriol Genève Columbus chronograph watch that, as you can see, has a lot of stones. Those are actual diamonds, and this is one of the most expensive watches from our collection, especially when it comes to the MSRP. So the original price tag was around $7,000. So this is quite a luxury watch, a Swiss-made luxury watch. It has a quartz movement, but nonetheless, let's check it out. Now, if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So guys, we have placed the watch on a brand new blue leather watch strap. As you can see, it has the original deployment buckle, which can easily be adjusted. So all you need to do is to pull this part and to select a different hole. Here on the dial, we can see that we have a chronograph that is in perfect working condition. You can start it using the above pusher, and then if you use the second pusher, you can use it in order to reset it. So that is something that is in working condition. We also have the day complication. The second hand is right here. This is the sub dial for that. So very cool and neat piece. These diamonds are very interesting. As you can see, none of them are missing and they glow very nicely. We have also tested them with a basic diamond tester and everything was good. Here on the back you can see Charriol, Columbus, the model, and also Swiss made. Everything is original. The watch has already a new watch battery inside. Also, it has a very interesting crown. As you can see, you can keep it like this, and when you want to pull it, you can grab this handle and pull it to the second position in order to set the time. Then you can simply push it back in, and then it stays like this. It has a signed crown, as you can see right here. So if you like the watch, guys, you can check it on our website, link in the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these kind of videos, and see you on the next one.